This is a quick intro of the monkey page and associated comment sections. This is the main page. It consists of several subpages, including about, help, search, and fact, but those contents are TBD. The main page is the news page, which has a set of articles. Each article has a tag, title, one-line blurb, author, and date. And you can decide which articles to look at by clicking on the tag. If you click on an article, then you see, the title and author and picture and the content, and then there's a comment section below. If this is the first time you're using the system on that computer, then it'll ask you to log in. And in this case, it'll take you to a conventional threaded comment section, which is, I guess, pretty intuitive to use. Just type in your message and submit it. And then you can also reply to other people's messages. So that's pretty straightforward. There are also articles that use the Deliberatorium for the comments section. So here's an example of that. And when you first use the Deliberatorium, it puts you through an onboarding process where you go through a set of pages that explain what's going on. They're first, and all the pages have this kind of coach space. So the coach I've named Athena, and she gives context-specific help to help the user get up to speed and point them in the directions that will be most productive in terms of their contributions to the argument map. In addition to giving these pieces of coaching advice, she also gives recommendations for the next page to look at, which you go to simply by jumping on this right arrow in the circle. So the first page describes what a deliberation map is, and second onboarding page is the tells you about the map tool, the next about the post tool, the search tool, and the profile tool, and then you're done and you get a little trophy, and then allows you to start using the system itself, which I'm going to put in a larger screen just so it's easier to see. The primary tool is the map tool, which allows you to open and close posts in using these open and close buttons. You can hide and show the arguments for an idea using these thumbs up, thumbs down symbol. If you're interested in a given post and you click on it, and it takes you to the post viewer, which gives you the title and author and the position of that post in the map, and then it gives you a set of buttons which allow you to, for example, edit it if it's your post, add a question, add an answer, and so on. So let's say I'll add an answer with some text. And when it's my first post, the system explains the certification process, just so you know what to expect. And it also jumps you to your answer and explains that a coach is waiting to check it. There's also a search tool which allows you to search for a post which match certain criteria or certain search terms. There's a profile tool which captures the user's profile, including their description for themselves, their contribution statistics, and the contributions that they've made to the map. And there's also a help system which includes articles which describe the concepts and the tools and so on. So that's a quick overview. There's a lot of stuff underneath the hood, in particular in terms of what recommendations Athena makes, but we can discuss that face to face.